Well, hello, welcome to Itching to Ride. Today I'm going to be fitting the Genuine KTM Heated Grips on my 1290R. So if you're interested in that, then stick around. God, look at that. Yeah, this is sweet. I really like this. I got these from Orwell Motorcycles in Ipswich. So if you're looking for these yourself or any other parts or clothing, then check out their website, or you can go into the store and you can get yourself 10% off all parts and clothing with discount code ITR10. So you can save yourself a bit of money. That's where I get all my parts from. Right, in here I found out, because I spoke to Orwell's, that there's a little connector, if you could see it, in there, right tucked up in there. And that's where you got to connect them to. So it's not ideal. So I reckon I'm going to have to take all these panels off here and the top of the tank to get to it. But I'm going to try and get to it without taking them all off, but I reckon that's probably what's going to happen. So let's have a look. Right, so I've managed to get the connector out. It was a bit of a job, to be honest, but that's there. I've got it out anyway. There is actually a little tag on there as well. You probably can't see it, but it does say heated grips, so you know you definitely got the right connector. What I've done here, there's a little bracket there. You can see under there on the frame. I had a cable tie on to hold these wires right up there, so I just cut them, move the wires down so it give you a bit more room to be able to get in there. And I just got some long nose pliers through there, and actually underneath here as well, under the headstock, there's got a hole there, so you can actually get up through there. So I've got some long nose pliers up there as well to try and get it, and then I've got the other long nose pliers through here and pulled it through. But like I say, it did take a little while, but saves you taking all the panels off a bike. So at least that bit's done. Right, so the next thing we'll do is take the bar ends off. That's just a 5mm Allen key in the end here, then they should just pop off. And then we'll take the hand grips off. And there's, in here, there's a little star drive, T15 star drive. You just undo that, and then that'll sort of unclamp the handle grip and that'll just slide off. Just the same as the heated grips, the new ones. If you can see it in there. Little T15 screw. All that does is just clamps it on. So that's good, it'll make it nice and easy to get them off and on. Ideal. So we'll do that next. Right, so the left hand side is all done. That's quite nice and easy actually. Bar end come off easily. Let's say just undo the clamp on the original grip and it just slides off. And then the new one just slides on, and just do up the little bolt in the back, like I'll show you. And then I've routed the wire, come out the back here, and just run round on the original wires. Round here, round the back. Come down here, put through this little clip, and then I've done it so it's just cable tied down there on the wires, and then it runs through the front of the headstock. So it just goes through here and that will come out the other side. I'll just show you. Just so it comes through there. Just be careful obviously that it don't catch on anything when you turn the steering. But that's come through here for now, and then I'll fit this side, then I'll sort the wiring out. So that'll be the next job. Right, so we're going to have a look at the throttle side now. Get this one put on. You're going to have to undo the screws here. There's one there and there's one the other side. They're T25 screws. To undo the clamp to be able to get the throttle slide out. So that's what we'll do next. And then you've got to get the wire through as well. I'll just show you. So you've got this wire here and there's a little clip that we've got to put in there. So you'll have to see how that goes. Yeah, so we'll do that now. Right, I'll just show you how to get this wire in here. So it's a little bit fiddly. Hopefully you can see that alright on the camera. Obviously you've got the throttle side here and the wire coming out of it. And then you've got this like bit of plastic here, like clip, that's got to sit inside there like that. And then the wire goes through here and out this side. And you just want to put a cable tie through here to hold the wire in place, just so it can't pull on it, damage the wires. Then you've got to put your throttle side in, locate that. Make sure it moves alright. Then you just get the little cap, put that back on. All a bit fiddly. That'll fit like that. It's all nice and free. So yeah, so that's how it goes back together really. It's a little bit fiddly, but you know, ain't too bad. Alright, so I'll just put the screws in and get this bit done. Right, so that's all done now. Got the bar end back on and tightened the clamp up on the throttle. So that's all nice now and free. I'll just run the wires along here with the other wires. So it's going down through here and through that clip. And that goes through here. And then what I've done, I've just pushed all the wires back through that gap down there where it come from, where the original connector come from. So they're all gone back in there, all right out of the way so you don't see them. And I've just re-cable tied the wires, and that looks really nice and clean and tidy. You wouldn't know. So it looked really good. Very happy with them, to be honest. Fit really well. It just look like normal grips, so you wouldn't even know it's got heated grips, to be honest. Apart from that wire coming out of there, you wouldn't really know. Yeah, so it looks good. Right, so they're all fitted now, so that's all done. Just in case you don't know, you're going to have to go to KTM to get them to activate the heated grips. If not, I think you'll find there won't be an option for them. I've had mine done already because I had mine serviced a little while ago, so I've got them to activate them then. So then once they've been activated, all you've got to do is just go into your menu, scroll all the way down to settings, go all the way down to heated grips, then you want to click on available and turn them on to available like it is now, because if not that will say not available, so you've got to turn it on to available. And then when you go back to motorcycle, the heated grips will be there, and then you can just turn them on there, low, medium, high or off. Yeah, so that's it. So don't forget, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to Itching to Ride, please subscribe to the channel. And you can find Itching to Ride on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok as well, so you can follow me on there. And I'll see you all on the next one.